7 Action News investigator Heather Catallo was the first to report about what a potential conflict of interest may center on, and she has the details about how important this hearing will be.
The judge announced last week that Kwame Kilpatrick has raised this conflict of interest problem that could prevent him from going forward with his current legal team. And that means the judge is going to have some tough questions tomorrow for both Kilpatrick and his lawyer.
I am not withdrawing at this time, and I have no intention of withdrawing.
Kwame Kilpatrick's longtime lawyer, Jim Thomas, has said publicly that he's committed to staying on Kilpatrick's case. But first, a conflict of interest problem must be overcome. 7 Action News has learned the conflict involves someone who could be called as a witness in the Kilpatrick corruption trial. Sources say Thomas previously represented that witness.
The last thing you want to do is have a lawyer find himself or herself in an impossible position between two clients, where to do something helpful to one client would arguably impact negatively the other client. 7
Action News legal analyst Tom Cranmer says judges and lawyers take potential conflicts very seriously.
In a large investigation like this, it's not uncommon that a lawyer or a law firm might have represented a witness who was part of the investigation, and then that at least has the potential to be in conflict with the representation of someone who's actually charged, a defendant in the case.
Kilpatrick, his father Bernard Kilpatrick, his friend Bobby Ferguson, and former Detroit Water Department Chief Victor Mercado are all charged with racketeering, bribery, and extortion. Their trial is supposed to start next month. 400 potential jurors have already filled out detailed questionnaires, but the jury selection process is on hold until Judge Nancy Edmonds explores this conflict of interest problem tomorrow.
The one thing that the judge, and I think the lawyers, don't want to do is right at the very beginning of the case create some issues that potentially are appellate issues, that are issues that either side might be able to raise as an error at a later point in time.
The 7 Action News investigators will be in court tomorrow, and we will bring you all of the latest developments as they happen. We'll be blogging live on WXYZ.com. I'm Heather Catallo, 7 Action News.